Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Skrill to debit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can transfer money from Skrill to your debit card if your card is eligible. So to do it, simply head over and open up an app or open up Skrill in your browser and be sure to be logged to your account as well. Then once logged into your account, in the menu select withdraw, then choose debit or credit card as the withdrawal method. Then next is to enter your card details like card number, expiration date and CVV number. The card must be in your name and supported international withdrawals. Then lastly, save the card. Then next is to enter withdrawal amount by entering the amount you want to transfer, your withdrawal fees and exchange rate fees, converting currencies, and lastly simply convert the transaction. Now all you gotta do is complete the transfer by selecting the transfer process. Skrill will process the withdrawal. Transfer to debit cards usually takes 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.